Google Flow now lets you generate images and videos grounded in Google Maps Street View. So you can give real world details in your Google Flow project. At the bottom where there's the prompt field, make sure your agent is enabled and then paste in your prompt. Make sure all the settings are correct for generating videos, and we'll submit it. Then a panel on the right will appear. We're going to approve this and let it go to work. You can specify the length of the video and confirm the amount of credits it'll take to generate the video. The nice thing about this Google Flow agent is you can go back and forth with the agent. So I wanted to make sure that the video was accurate according to Google Maps Street View. It gave me this image right here that it generated according to something that was grounded in this Google Maps imagery. So it gives you an actual link that you can click on and go to Google Maps. But what I want to do is add my own image. So I'm going to add this to the prompt and then generate a video based on this right here. The agent responded that it would create a 10-second video. I specified that I wanted a 4-second one, approved it, and this is what it returned to me. It gives me some more footage that expands the view to the left. So very good overall. You can also stylize your video. Like I applied this Americanized anime tone to the video and it translates the video very well. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.